My name's Taylor Keith. I'm Public Works Director for the town of Nutter Fort. We get a little municipality of about 900 people here. We take care of their water and sewer. So when we were at 30% loss, that's tough on a 900 customers. It's important for Nutter Fort to find those leaks because we're a purchase system. So every bit of water that comes through our master meter, we have to account for. If we don't have the knowledge of where that water is going, the town is absorbing the cost of that water loss.
We had a lot of old meters that very inaccurate. I mean, we can test in-house, but the quality of accuracy was not there. So we were searching for something that had very, very good accuracy.
We took every meter we could find. We put them on our test bench. We run our own little tests. We stuck them in pits. We checked communication. We wanted to make sure that they were a fit for Nutter Fort. Master meter had the best technology out of everything we tested. Also, the service was second to none.
I think one of the biggest advantages that we've also gained with master meter is daily leak alerts, negative consumptions. We're able to see in real time when we're having issues and where we're having issues. Where before, we're gonna be lifting lids and searching everywhere for a leak, and now you can get it pinned down to an exact location.
With our old mechanical meters, they start registering at an eighth of a gallon. With our ultrasonic meters, I mean, we're picking up clear down to a 64th of a gallon. I mean, that's a drastic difference. With the new technology, obviously, the leak detection is the greatest thing. We were using compound meters before, now running ultrasonic, and the ability to notify us daily instead of having to go out and actually physically read that meter has drastically changed how metering works around here.
We went from having 3 guys taking a day and a half to read 900 meters to one guy going out and just checking ones that we may have a few issues with here and there. The rest of the meters we can check instantly every day if we wanted.
I love the 24-hour reporting. A person calls and says, well, I didn't use that water. Hold on one second. Let's look, 2 a.m. It must have been your toilet running. We can get daily reporting, we can get weekly reporting, monthly. We can see overall usage for the town, or we can, just look at a few accounts. You can check it and you can kind of click down and see where your leaks are at.
We have the Harmony desktop, and we also have the customer app portal. Allows the customer to track their usage, leak detection, and notification if they were to use more water this month than they did last month. Now that the customer has the same technology in front of them as we do, it's definitely much easier to relate to a customer in explaining something that they don't do all the time.
We have a couple of residents that love the app to be able to monitor their usage. It's actually, positively helped their home budgets by being able to monitor their water usage in their home.
We only have a limited supply of a resource, so if we can take the steps to help reduce the loss of water, I think it's very pivotal that we do that.
It makes us feel good to know that we're not just losing that water. We were shooting for 6 to 8 years for a return on our investment. I believe some of our latest numbers, we did that in roughly just 3 years, so we cut that time in half.
We as the town need to make sure that we're doing everything as cost efficiently as we possibly can. And this was the way to do it. We can be more proactive with our infrastructure. The aging system doesn't have to break before you fix it now.
Our businesses are growing, our town is growing, so the more accurate and more we can keep up with things, the better it's going to be for the whole town in the future.
Simple little drops add up over time for a system that purchases. When you go from losing 33% a month to only 8 or 9%, I mean, that's a drastic savings. I mean, when you're saving millions of gallons a month that could be used elsewhere, I mean, that's just the right thing.